it's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my video. I need to put the lights in, so I can't do this next Saturday. I got to get these in the mail. So I am going to put the lights in here on camera as soon as I figure out how to unwind this this set of lights. Oh God, why does it have to be so hard? There we go. Okay. Because I'm going to bond these with the UV bonding resin inside there so they don't stick up. So then I can just pour the layer of resin on top of it. So sit back, enjoy. I'm not going to talk a whole lot. But I will either talk or put something on the screen telling you what I'm doing next. All I'm doing right now is unwinding the lights, and then I'm going to fit them in there, and then I'm going to bond them down. And that don't sound too exciting, I know, but let me tell you something. When you try putting these lights in without bonding them down, they don't stay very well. So then when you pour your resin that goes over it, you're constantly trying to keep them submerged. So let's see if the bonding resin works better. Okay, so sit back, grab your sippy, and enjoy the rest of the show, which part of it I'll speed up, like this part. Looks like it fits perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is, let me find a, there we go, a clean stick. Okay, I'm going to be holding it down in spots, and there it is. Ha! And this is the resin I'm using. Link is below. Oh, shoot. Hang on. There we go. Link is below. It's Saveki UV resin. I'm trying to read what that, it's bonding resin. That's all. I can't read it because the light's causing a glare. It comes with this handy dandy little light. And what you do is you put a drop over something where you want to bond it to. Now you can bond it to the mold itself, but I like to keep the lights hidden when I do these. So what I'm doing is I'm holding it down with the stick, putting a couple little drops right here off to the side. Come on, bottle. Okay, I put a drop. Then you put the light over it to get it to cure quickly. And you want to hold it there for at least 10 seconds, if not more. And I do it sometimes a little longer. Basically what I'm bonding down is the loops of metal, okay? That looks like it's holding good. So now, let me get this one out here so I can put my stick on top of it. Okay, now I'm going to speed through the rest of this because it's just the same thing in between each light. 1 or 2 drops of this. Come on. There we go. 1 or 2 drops of this to get it to bond it, and then you hit it with the light. So I'm going to fast forward through the rest of this now. Put it down in every spot because the wires, once you get it put down in one spot, the rest of the wires seem to stay down. I'm just going around making sure that I don't have any stray little loops of wires sticking too far up. But I'm going to tell you something. This is so much better than the way I used to do it. So get yourself a bottle of this. It comes with a little light. So I'm going to cover this, and then I'm going to come back to demold it, and then that'll be it for this video. But like I said, I was going to do it next Saturday, but I couldn't wait. So stay tuned. I shall be back tomorrow, but for you in a second, okay? Okay, time to demold this little bad boy. It was pretty easy to do. Easiest lights I've ever done so far. Oh boy, here I go fighting the mold again. Well, I can tell you I am going to add a few more stickers because I'm not happy with the sticker situation. I am very, very pleased with this. It's in greens, it's got doggies, it's got woods, and the mold went right back into the shape it's supposed to. So, I hope you like this little short tutorial video. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about what I did. And I have a link to the UV bonding resin down below. So, thank you for joining me. I am very happy with it, and I hope to see you at my next live or in my next video. So, all I can say is, bye for now. Love you, Bentley. Wink, wink.